Right. There it is.
I can't believe we're like.
Wow.
Take my green t-shirt.
I'm Graham. This is the Buckingham Palace. We're at the Victoria Memorial Fountain, I think. I don't know. And then that's the fountain over there. There's Hyde Park over there.
Of London town where dreams are spun, with Big Ben's chime and the river's hum, a mother's tale begins to flow. In the city's embrace, love starts to grow. Strolling through Hyde Park, feeling so free, with the summer sun shining on me. Each step a whisper, a promise in the air, a future we'll share beyond compare. The bustling streets, the quiet lanes, in every corner love remains. From morning light to evening's glow, in London's arms our hearts will know. In the London rain, soft and sweet, feeling your heartbeat, a gentle beat, holding on to dreams in the city's grace. With every kick I see your face. By the Thames, we watch the boats glide, whispering secrets to the life inside. Your tiny movements, a secret told, a story.
That's female, man. Yeah, what is XX female? The 35th.